Hello everyone, this is Andy from X7. Today I will be showing you how to install X-7 Apollo Plus 905. Let's unbox one new Apollo Plus. Look at the label on the side. 190 watts, 38,000 lumens. Good is what we need. Let's open it. An installation manual, warranty card, sticker, two bulbs. Let's take a closer look. 45 and 75 CSP chips, 2 copper tubes. Beautiful X-shaped fan cover. Super CAN bus driver makes error-free. 905 socket. Take out the charging bulb. One to one side. Connect the plug. Screw an Apollo Plus in. Keep the wire vertical for perfect lighting shape. Lighting up. Okay, if you want to know more about X7, please follow us. See you next time.